ठीक है. Now last day the little bit concept, not concept means which topic we will discuss in this chapter in comparing quantities. So that already I have mentioned. Okay. Now write down side heading. First heading that will be ratio and proportion. Firstly, we will discuss this topic today. Okay. Ratio and proportion. Okay. Okay. Class, am I audible or not? Please tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
you are clearly audible.
Okay. Write. Everyone must write with me. Write down first side heading, ratio, proportion. You can write inside or means in the at the center. No issue with from my side. Okay. Right or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir, written.
Okay. So
Sir, in this angle you said, na? Keep.
I'm not seeing anyone's video. Just I'm. Okay. Now, before going to discuss this concept, let me introduce some little bit means concept that you have done earlier. So, or may not done, no problem. If done and well and good. Suppose I'm writing, I'm making the two figures. Okay, the
Yes.
like the persons. Okay. मुझे my drawing is not good. Okay, and second one. Like this. Okay.
Yes.
Its height is given 140 centimeter and its height is given 180 centimeter.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now suppose it's means height of both the people. Like this is Ame and this is Prathamesh. Okay. So Ame and Prathamesh height is given over here. I'm just taking example. Don't take it personally. Okay. So this Ame and Prathamesh height is given. The height is given in centimeter. Now my question is how to represent their heights in ratio, or my question, the length, the height in the centimeter is this, but what about their height ratio? Okay. So if we will do in this way, the numbers will divide, one of the numbers will divide to another number, like in this way.
Yes.
So this will converted and get the answer 7/9, right?
9.
After simplification. So this will be the height fraction, right or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now centimeter will be height, so this will cancel out. That means now this will be written as 7/9 will be written as this way, 7/9.
7 is to 9.
So this is read as actually 7:9, or
9.
you will read 7:9. 7:9 or 7:9, both are same thing. Now means earlier the height will be 140 centimeter and 180 centimeter. Now the answer becoming 7/9. Now the questions arises in mind of students. सर 140 से सीधे 7 कैसे आ गया, 180 से 9 कैसे आ गया? So look at here. These are the means units of mathematical representation of heights of Ame and Prathamesh in their means centimeter or meter. Okay, and this is the same thing will be written over here, but in the representation of ratio, right? Both are same thing. This is also, and this one means this thing and this thing will be same thing, but this thing is written in some special quantities This thing is written in some another this special quantities. So these are the known as means measurement of length height, means actual measurement of their heights, and this is the comparison between heights of Ame and Prathamesh, right or not? Please tell me.
Yes.
Means maybe you getting something, the ratio is the comparison between two quantities only, right? तो ratio क्या होता है? Ratio is nothing else, it is a comparison between two quantities. Let us suppose we will compare not in this figure. Suppose this is your some bucket type things, okay? In this there will be sugar solution. There will be sugar solution, right? In this sugar solution, what are the materials which are inside this one? What are the sediments? Definitely there will be sugar and water.
Sugar.
क्या सुगर और वाटर के अलावा भी कुछ होगा क्या सुगर सॉल्यूशन में? सुगर
नहीं।
सॉल्यूशन का मतलब आप लोग वो शरबत पीते हो? शरबत,
हाँ
क्या बोलते हो आप लोग मराठी में यहाँ पर?
हाँ शरबत।
द सेम थिंग. तो ये जो सुगर सॉल्यूशन है, इस सुगर सॉल्यूशन में शरबत में चीनी और पानी के अलावा कभी कोई सॉल्ट मिलाता है, कोई नींबू का पानी मिलाता है. दैट वाज डिफरेंट थिंग, बट मेन पार्ट इज sugar and water, right?
Yes.
Just wait. Okay, so in this sugar solution,
हेलो
there will
सर।
be, yes, what happened?
सर मेरे घर की लाइट गई है, अभी मैंने सारे घर के सारे लाइट्स बंद करके आया हूँ।
Now in this sugar solution, sugar and water is there only, nothing else. Right now I'm taking. Now in some amounts, like sugar is given 500 gram and water is there, that is 1 liter. So look at now, can we find in sugar solution sugar and water ratio? Yes or no? Batao. Yes or no? Can we find in sugar solution sugar and water ratio? What was the, this is quantity, this is a quantity, sugar and water, and I'm talking about in ratio. Can we represent this sugar and water in the ratio? Yes or no?
No. No.
Why?
So because there is 1 liter and the sugar quantity is 500 gram only.
Then
That's why.
what was the issue? What was the main issue? The unit was not same or something else?
So unit and
Because of that unit, gram and
so unit and
some one is solid and another is liquid.
Okay, can we write in place of 1 liter water
1000
gram or
Yes.
milliliter? Listen to me. In place of gram, right now milliliter, right? Right or not?
Yes, sir. Solution, mute yourself.
So if someone mic on, please turn off your mic.
Sudarshan.
In 1 milliliter, in general, this 1 milliliter and 1 gram, it will be not quite same on this thing only. This is in volume and this is in weight, but the things will be quite same, right or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
So can we consider this 1000 milligram is equals to 1000 gram? Can we take?
Yes.
Now the units will be same. Now units will be same. So
Now we can.
now we can compare the sugar and water, right or not?
Yes.
So if we are trying to find the sugar and water solution, sugar will be 500 and this will be 1000. So what was the answer? 1:2. 0, 0, 0, 0. Because it will be written as 500 upon 1000, right class? 2 0 gets cancelled out, 5 1s are 5, 5 2 are 10, right? So this will be 1:2. 1:2. 1:2, right? So now in quantities you have seen over here, this is 500 gram, but in ratio this will be only 1. Means this 1 is representing 500 gram. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
This is the little bit
Yes.
concept of
Yes.
a ratio. So now, now write the definition of ratio firstly. Then I'm coming to proportion. Okay. Just
Okay,
give me a
sir.
minute. I will erase these things. Because my headings are written over there, so I'm not clearing my screen. Otherwise, you would clear all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So now ratio. Firstly, ratio I'm defining. It is a, write with me. It is a comparison between two quantities.
Quantities.
It is comparison between two quantities of same units. Okay, this is the thing. And let an example, let A and B are two quantities, means write as example form, not write example, let the things up. Let A and, because example will be in numbers form. This is general. A and B are two quantities. Okay. A and B are two quantities of same units. So ratio can be written as ratio can be written as A is to B. Written as this. It is read as A is to B or A ratio B, comma and comma. Please write these things in comma and comma, this one and this one. Okay. Okay. Now this is your concept of a
Wait a second.
ratio, right class?
Yes.
Now next line, it doesn't have any units. Doesn't have
Sir, will you show 1 minute
any
the
units.
before
Sir, it is proportional.
Not proportion. I'm right now ratio is going on. Everything is related to ratio. It is read as A raised to B or A ratio B. Full stop. In next line, it doesn't have any units. This is the key points. That is a ratio is the things. Ratio is a unitless quantity. ठीक है?
Yes.
Ratio is unitless. Not right quantity. Please remove quantity. Ratio is unitless. That is ratio is a unitless. There will be no unit. Okay. Now write the examples. No, not examples. One more concept is there. Now, how to next thing, each part of quantity, each part of quantity can be expressed as follows. Each part of quantity can be expressed as follows. Suppose we have
What is after until के बाद क्या है?
unitless, not until, unitless. ठीक है, until की
That
spelling
is
each part of quantity in ratio, each part of quantity in ratio can be expressed as follows. Suppose we have ratio A, ratio B. So part of A can be written as A upon A plus B, and part of B can be defined as B upon A plus B. यानी कि इस रेशियो में, पूरे इस रेशियो में A का पार्ट कितना होगा और B का पार्ट कितना होगा, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन यू कैन से. ठीक है,
Yes, fraction. Yes.
बट डोंट राइट दिस वन, दिस इज ओनली आई एम टेलिंग यू. ठीक है, means in this ratio, suppose sugar and water will be there. Okay, so what was the amount of sugar in fraction, means sugar कितना पार्ट होगा इसमें, इस sugar solution में, और water कितना होगा. तो sugar part is given as sugar upon sugar plus water, and water part is given as water upon sugar plus
Water upon sugar plus water.
क्योंकि हम लोग कंपैरिजन किससे करेंगे, टोटल से. दिस इज योर टोटल, राइट?
Yes.
So we don't need to write that part of that.
नो, यू हैव टू राइट दिस थिंग.
Okay.
The sugar and water also.
No, this one not, but it is only for understanding. But if you want to write, then you can. I don't have any issue. ठीक है. Now the each part
Yes.
of quantity in ratio will be defined in this way, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now equivalent ratio. I am coming proportion later. Firstly, I will define equivalent ratio. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So suppose
Yes.
with the examples I will explain. Suppose we have ratio 2:3. Okay. Right. As you have done in the fraction 2/3. What was the equivalent fraction? How you will find it out, this one? That you will do multiply by 2 by 2, 2 by 3 multiply by 3 by 3, 2 by 3 is multiplied by 4 by 4, right? And 2 by 3
Right.
multiply by 5 by 5. So you will get continuously equivalent fraction. Right or not? You have done in your
Yes.
last class. Now similarly, here
Yes.
you will find a ratio, equivalent ratio, means the same way 2:3 will be written as 4:6. How I am getting? आप इनको solve कर लो. 6:9, 6/9 means 6:9, 8:12, 10:15. So these are known as equivalent ratio with respect to 2/3, 2:3.
Yes.
Sorry. ठीक है. The same that you have done, I am just replacing these some symbolic.
And sir, it follows a pattern also.
Symbolic representation I have changed and nothing else. So this
Yes.
is your equivalent ratio concept. And now next topic, proportion. Please listen to me very carefully because these things are all these things in your 8th standard. So if you learn here, no problem over there in 8th standards. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
proportion. Proportion is what? It is a comparison between two ratios. Now look at there. Ratio is the comparison between two quantities, and proportion is the comparison between two ratios.
Ratios.
So let's suppose A ratio B and C ratio D are two ratios, right? So proportion can be so let A ratio B and C ratio D are two ratios, then proportion can be defined as A ratio B proportion C ratio D, means it is read as A is to B, A is to B,
Proportion.
proportion
C is to D.
C is to D, or everyone know that what I'm trying to write. A
Yes.
ratio B
Ratio B. Proportion C ratio D.
C ratio D, right class? Both are same thing.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, आपको बस पढ़ना आना
So we
चाहिए.
have to write.
हाँ, of course you have to write, भाई. You have to write
What
each and
shall we have to
everything.
write?
Each and everything which was in the board, whiteboard, you have to write, or you will take a screenshot. Later you can write.
Sir, your voice is
Yes,
breaking.
Please check your internet connection, beta.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Please check your internet connection, because from my side there is no issue.
Sir, your voice is breaking.